I'm Shampasari and welcome to ASIN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another question on the topic of arithmetic progression, and this question has been taken from the book of Hall and Knight. Now the question says that find the sum of 15 terms of the series whose nth term is 4n plus 1. So we have to find the sum of the first 15 terms of the series whose nth term is represented by 4n plus 1. Now I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come back to the video for the solution. I hope that you have tried the question and you have got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, the nth term is represented by 4n plus 1. Now if in any question it is mentioned that the nth term is represented by using the value n or any other variable, what we just have to do is we just have to put that value. So I can say that first term is equal to 4 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 5. Second term is equal to 4 into 2 plus 1, which is equal to 9. Third term is equal to 4 into 3 plus 1, which is equal to 13, and so on. So I can find out the complete series. Now if my first term is equal to 5, my second term is equal to 9, so I can say that my common difference is equal to 4, and this is maintained throughout the series because 13 minus 9 is equal to 4, and my fourth term is equal to 17, so 17 minus 13 is also equal to 4. So my common difference is equal to 4, and my first term is equal to 5. Now according to our given question, we had to find the sum of first 15 terms of the series, so we just have to put the value of 15 in the formula and we'll get our answer. So let's calculate the value. The formula for calculating the sum of first n terms of a series is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula where a is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is the nth term. So we just have to put the values and we'll get our answer. So according to our given information, n is equal to 15, a is equal to 5, and d is equal to 4. So we'll get 15 by 2 into 10 plus 14 into 4. Now it is equivalent as 15 by 2 into 10 plus 56, which is equal to 66. And we'll finally get our answer as 15 into 33, and upon calculation this value comes as 495. So the sum of first 15 terms of our series is equal to 495. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of ASIN Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel ASIN Academy.